Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today I'm gonna show you in action my plastic welding kit on my Ford Transit rear bumper. Recently I had a accident. Actually I didn't have an accident, but the rookie forklift driver poked a hole over here, so it doesn't look right, and especially I could see a harness through the hole. So before buying this thing, that's what this amazing tool is. Comes really handy. So you gotta, how it works actually, you make sure the power, first of all, when you plug in, make sure there is a power. So this thing, if you know anything about soldering, this is kind of same scenario. This thing is heating up, and again, you can do a whole bunch of things with this thing. You can see this screen over here, the brush, the welding rods. Let's say you have to patch, you have a bigger hole, you could use this plastic and kind of melt it together. In my case, I really don't need this. It has a brush over here, real nice one. Let's say you have to clean it, and if you have something to reinforce from inside, there is this just one small piece of the stainless steel screen, which is super strong. In my case, I don't need none of that stuff. And if you watch previous video, you gotta make sure this thing is hot, because if not, and you start pushing it, right there, see, it's hot. You don't have to force it. You gotta make sure that this thing is hot enough, and you just let it basically do the work by itself. How pretty it's gonna be, I guess it's already up to you. I mean, you could use like a sander or something to smooth it up. In my case, I just wanna patch this hole, and you basically heat it up and kind of smooth it up like this. So before you go to the other side, you gotta make sure that it's dry up, and you can see it by how it changes the color before you go to the next, because the plastic is actually melting, and I mean, it's you could feel it. So I guess it would be wise to have some kind of a tool or something, so you don't have to stick it over here with your finger. Wait up a little bit. See, if you are too fast, no patience, stuff like this is gonna happen. So now you're gonna have to redo this thing, because again, it didn't let it go, let it cool off, and now you can, when it's already secured, if you want to make it a little bit prettier, you have better access. Something like that. So it's not super pretty, but at least right now I don't have a hole. So this is an idea, unless you want to buy a brand new bumper every time the receiver punch a hole with the forklift in your bumper. But this, something like this is the work vehicle, obviously. If this would be your home car and you want to look at prettier than this, you still use the same concept. Maybe use a screen behind there to make it super solid. You could sand it on top of it and then paint it and all of that. In my case, again, this is a black rubber work vehicle, so maybe somebody will use this idea. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and if you're gonna have a project like this, good luck, and give me a like if this video was useful for you. Thank you. Good luck.